Here are my three wonderful co-hosts that join in every week for Fairy Garden Thursday. It's a magical time. We'd love to have you join in with us. It's open collab any Thursday, anytime. It can be small, it can be big. Come and join us and see what all of my awesome friends have done this week for Fairy Garden Thursday. And don't forget, we don't care if you're even a day early or a day late. Just leave me a comment on my channel, for I make sure to go give you a full watch. Now let's go see what Grandma did. Good morning to all of you. It is Fairy Garden Thursday and we're starting a new series for Halloween. This is my very first Halloween post that I'm putting up. I hope you enjoy all the little Halloween fairy gardens I'm going to share with you today. And this one here is the dead forest and the haunting of it. Now, believe it or not, this cost me no money at all. This is a free post. And we're going to be sharing a bunch of free fairy gardens today. They're all to do with Halloween themes. And they're with things I already own and have. Nothing was spent putting this video together today. This I bought, I don't know, last year I think. And I did buy it for Halloween. As you can see, the pumpkins all around his feet. And he looks pretty scary and pretty frightening, does he not? And you can see all the dead trees. He's coming out of the dead forest. Nothing is good coming from a dead forest, do you think? I'm going to back up a little bit. And all these little dead trees you see were little flowers at one time. And I let them dry out and I cut them off just for this post. I'm going to show you where I got them in just a second. But doesn't it look a little scary and spooky? I thought it turned out great. Now I did put fresh grass clippings on here, and that is the only thing that I would say was new, but keep in mind, it's free because they're grass clippings from when my yard gets mowed. So I'm hoping you're going to enjoy all the free Halloween posts that we're going to put together. And some of them I'm going to reuse and purpose the pieces. So you may see some pieces from different fairy gardens that are the same piece, it's just a different garden or a different container. Because I always shop my garden and shop my house before starting every project. Hello everyone, it's fall festival time. And as you can see, we already had a major accident this year as the witch's house was flying through the portal for the Halloween season. The house landed on her. Oh no, what are we gonna do? I guess that fairies are gonna have to lift the house off the poor witch. Oh well, hopefully she's gonna be okay. As you can see, her feet are sticking out. Well, she's got her little hat and her broom and her witch's brew, so maybe they can set up a little witch's brew to bring her back. Well, let's swing over here. Grandma Sandy made a nice flower arrangement this year to put some color in the fall festival. Didn't it turn out lovely? Now let's go look at last year's haunted house. This year they've decorated with lots and lots of pumpkins. And as you can see, they have the magic words, trick or treat. And look at all the fun they're having at Pumpkinville. Yay, Pumpkinville! Now let's see what else we have. Of course, we have the Queen's Pumpkin that we had last year. And we have some new friends that came in for the Fall Festival. Oh, and here's some more new friends that we had come in. It is going to be a great, great fall festival this year. Lots of pretty things and lots of new faces. Well, see you next year, and we'll see what happens next year at the fall festival. Yay! Fall festival! Yay!